Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I will show you how to receive money on Neteller. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.neteller.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Look for the Money In, Add Money or Deposit option, usually in the menu bar on the main dashboard. For someone to send you money, share the email address linked to your Neteller account. Alternatively, if the sender uses a secure ID, provide them with your Neteller secure ID found in your account settings. Once the sender transfers the funds, you will receive a confirmation email from Neteller. Go back to your dashboard and refresh the page to see the updated balance. To verify the transfer, go to the transaction history section in the menu. Check the details such as the amount received, sender's name, and transaction ID. And that's it. Receiving money on Neteller is that simple. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Financify, and turn on the notification bell for more financial tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.